This homeowner is having a problem with standing water and is getting water in the basement. We want to get this water away from the foundation of the house. So what we're going to do here is we're going to tie in all the downspouts. We're going to regrade, put a basin here, put a basin here, put a basin on the other side of the fence, and run all this to a pop-up. So here's the lay of the land. You see this is all shallow. Alright, so we got that filled in, and here's this pipe before we fill it in. This way? The water's flowing this way.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so this is a vent. It also gives access to the pipe. You can take the screw out and pull the vent out. You can run a hose in there, you can run a camera in there, you can clean it, whatever you want to do. It just works perfect, and this will not freeze in the wintertime.
All right, so we got this all dug out. Now we're gonna go in the front. We always like to leave the front yards looking as nice as possible. Backyard here, he needs work. We're gonna bring in a truckload of soil. Okay, because we're putting the sod back on, I'm trying to keep the sides of the grass as tidy as possible by pushing all the dirt back in. Here's the one downspout. So we did 5 downspouts total in the backyard. And this is where they have a lot of pooling. So we put the catch basin here, 12-inch round. That's the 5th downspout. And then we have a catch basin here. All right, so there's the pop-up. Front's all done. Customer's gonna water this, get the sod to root back in. There is a 12-inch catch basin, and that is to catch the neighbor's water that comes off this hill. It's definitely coming down a lot harder. Let's go take another look. Oh, yeah, really coming out of the pop-up now. All right, thanks for coming along and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have standing water or mud in your yard and you live in Central Jersey, give us a call. Bye-bye.